So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up instructions using my 100-day posting challenge project. So first, I'm going to go in and open up my project for 100-day LinkedIn posting challenge. So from there, I am going to go up to these three little dots right here. And I'm going to hit project setting. And here in the project setting, you find the instructions. So I am going to go right here, and I have some instructions already written out. So let me go and copy those and paste them into here. So I have the instructions pasted in right now. And the first thing, like when you're setting up instructions, you want to sort of like have a theme or an idea of what you would like to put in. So the first thing that you would like to put is a role. You want to tell ChatGPT how to think. So in my case, I have act as a LinkedIn content strategist focused on personal branding and career transition into a Salesforce role. So that's the first thing that you want to put in is a role. That is, and then a next thing is to set your tone and style. So I added instructions like write simple, keep it clear, conversational, avoid the corporate, stop not robotic sound, having a robotic sound. Some other things I put in there, maybe do prioritize storytelling, any type of lesson learned, real life experience over any type of generic advice. And then you want to get into how you would like to be structured, how you would like the output to come out. So for a LinkedIn post, no more between 5 to 12 lines with those strong break lines that it be readable for LinkedIn. And I always start the post with being thoughtful, maybe curious, some type of hook that's not cheesy or predictable. Also, I put in here too about having a call to action to be placed in. And then the next thing that you may want to add a theme. You want to maybe tie your content back to some type of theme, which may be Salesforce. For my case, would be Salesforce learning, career transition, consistency, some type of AI tool, like I'm in here and doing here with ChatGPT. And then you wanted to do something that's going to be consistent. So in my case, having some type of consistency. So like at the end of my post, since I'm doing the 100-day challenge, I want to have at the end day X of 100 LinkedIn posting challenge as my sign off. So now what I'm going to do is go in and save this. So what that means that next every time I prompt, every time I go into projects and I use my 100-day LinkedIn posting challenge, I don't have to prompt the same thing over and over again because within my instructions, I have the majority of things that I want done. So when I go in and prompt, I'm just getting straight to the point of what it is that I need. So if you have not been using projects but skipping instructions, go back and fix that today. And if you want, drop a comment and tell me how you're using projects. I'd love to hear it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.